stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. If you're new to my channel, which I'm sure you are because you're here for Shane and Jeffree Star, I would be too. Yeah, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you're gonna love the content over here, okay? So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, a quick review, and an eye tutorial. Later on in the future, I will be using all the whatever. The makeup came in this pink box. I would show you this side, but you know, right now I'm just trying to see if I want to get my ring light because I normally film with the ring light, but really don't feel like getting it. Let's just open up this box, y'all. I'm so excited. Do I got any scissors or anything? All right, looks like we're using our fingers. Normally, y'all, I normally open it up, but I was like, let me be good and open it on the camera. All right, fuck the box. You know, like on Christmas when people get shit packaged so nicely and you're like, what? Fuck the box. It's like, yo, I'm so excited. Okay, I thought maybe some extra goodies would be in there because now they're rich. They're rich. So I thought they were gonna give me like the free lip gloss or something. But it just has a cute little picture of Jeffree and Shane. I'm excited. And then they've got it wrapped. Oh! I should have got two because who really wants to mess it up? You guys, let me just take it in because I'm like doing this myself. It looks so pretty. Y'all are gonna see it before me. Let's just, okay, let me, fuck y'all. Okay. Ooh. You guys, it's so pretty. I don't know what I expected, but I got the conspiracy palette. I be talking big shit about not wanting to waste money on makeup, but I kind of felt like I needed it. Okay, ooh, a little glass, okay. Okay, let me be serious. It's really pretty. This is what the shades look like. If you're, you know, my channel, I'm sure you guys weren't, you know, interested in this palette, but y'all, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I don't even know where to start. I just don't like how that's kind of dirty. But we're not gonna even go there. I'm just so overall excited and happy. It's a huge palette. It's huge as fuck. Yeah, now let's see if we're gonna put on the ring light. Should we put on the ring light? It's like really dark right now, so it's like, do I need the ring light? Okay, so I just kind of reposition the lighting. I normally would use like a big ass ring light, but don't really feel like getting it right now. I don't even know where to start. So y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, I want to get in like the Tanakan and the Diet Root Beer. I really want to do like a wearable look just to give you guys a little back. I normally don't go in with a primer. Normally don't. So I don't know if I want to go in with a primer. A lot of people were going in with primers, but primers is just something that I normally don't go in with when it comes to makeup. So I don't think that I'm going to do that today. I am just wiping off the brushes because I really could have just cleaned the brushes all together, but I'm a bit lazy. I think I'm going to tap in. I should have got two palettes. I'm glad that this is not like a limited edition. So you guys will eventually be able to pick it up if you weren't able to pick it up on the first drop, because like these shades they're just so pretty. Like they're stamped. Got a pig there, a root beer, you know, like it's just it's kind of cool. We're gonna first go in with the shade Tanakan. Oh, it gets everywhere. It gets everywhere, y'all. I'm just so excited. Okay, I do have makeup on, so we're gonna see if, you know, there's fallout. Going in with that shade Tanakan, which is a light brown. It's kind of like the color of my skin, low key. I saw Jeffree Star contouring with it. I was like, damn, he must be light as fuck, you know, to be able to contour with this shade. I don't know my contour shade. You know, we got a swoosh now, baby, here. Okay, I just went all over the lid with Tanakan. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go all over, kind of like in the same swooshy direction, and I'm happy it has a big old mirror. I'm gonna go in with Diet Root Beer. So we're gonna go in with Diet Root Beer and just wipe that back and forth. That's a nice, like, for one, I don't own any Jeffree Star palettes. I really wanted to own some, but I'm just like, man, your girl got priorities. I got a baby. Yeah, it just really wasn't in the budget, but I just had to get this. And the shades are really nice. Like, they're easy to blend out. I do not have a base on. You are very lazy. Or don't even own an eyeshadow base. How about that? But if you do, let us know what your favorite eyeshadow base is so we can try it out maybe one day. We're getting brown vibes. I'm gonna just take the same colorways at the bottom, because I've already got my makeup on, so I don't have to worry about anything. So first I'm going in with Tanakan. And I'm gonna like really smoke it out. Then we're gonna go back in with Diet Root Beer. Because I don't know about you guys, but every time I get some new makeup, I feel more inspired. Because I was just sitting here like, am I gonna film today? And then I end up filming like, oh, you know, I ended up filming, whatever. Okay, so I'm just going in with that root beer shade. Already, this right here, I could put like some shimmer on or just even a lash and call it a day. So we could stop here, but we're not. People were like, oh, it's a typical Jeffree Star formula. And I'm like, well, shit. I don't know nothing about no Jeffree Star formulas. When people say Jeffree Star formula, I'm now thinking that they just meant super blendable, highly pigmented. Like this is really, I'm really excited. So I'm just super smoking it out. Now that we have our eyes smoked out, look at me, I'm feeling this already. It already looks cute. We just need it to be even. What are we gonna go with? We could really go on with cheese dust. I can give you my typical grunt. Look at me, I'm just so excited right now. I could go on with cheese dust, give you a grungy type of orange ordeal. I could go on what's tea. I think I want to go on with cheese dust too, so I can show you guys my, because if you're new to my channel, so you never see me, you know, you never see me do my little grungy makeup looks. And if you have seen me do it, like I've done it, this kind of tutorial before, but it didn't get nowhere. Like y'all didn't watch it. So I'm sure y'all gonna watch this. So let me just show y'all my grungy, everyday wearable, smoked out look, because y'all didn't watch that last tutorial. Yes, you. So I'm gonna go on with that shade Cheese Dust. It's just this orange shade right here. And you guys, it's already beyond pigmented. I don't have any, what do you call that? I don't have any primer on my lids. But however, if you want this to be like super pigmented, a high payoff, by all means, go ahead and cut your crease. And then I'm gonna go in with Flamin' Hot as well. And it's highly pigmented and it definitely looks like cheese dust. And it's getting all over my palette, but at least it's not getting all over my under eyes. I just think it's kind of cute because I've never seen any eyeshadow palettes stamped like this. So here's the orange. This is already a vibe. This is another vibe. Let's go in with Flaming Hot. Just like, and tap it at the bottom, just to give us some more dimension. Dust and bring it at the bottom. I'm not afraid to really blend it out. Take my finger with Flaming Hot and kind of bring it to the base of my eye. I don't know, Flamin' Hot is low-key giving me pinkish vibes, but when I kind of like swipe it on with my hand, I need to blend out this. Hold on, we need to blend out this corner some more. Very easy to blend out. What we're gonna do now, let's see what this Just a Theory looks like. We're gonna bring Just a Theory in our inner corners, like our tear ducts, to kind of brighten up the look and just really try to brighten this area. It's actually not that bright, so let's mix in with Ranch. So Just a Theory and Ranch kind of give you a little low-key grayish hue. Ranch, and put that at the top. Ooh, it's pigmented. So I'm not mad at it. Like, it's really pigmented, y'all. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the company who shall not be named on camera because Jeffree Star does not like them, and we're gonna do some eyeliner. Find it, I can't even find it. So Jeffree Star, send me some liner so I could, you know, say it in the video. Otherwise, have on you. So the things that I loved about this palette are the different shades. They have a ton of shades, endless opportunities to create a ton of looks. I love the fact that there is a mirror. Hello. I didn't experience any fallout because of course I already had my base on. I didn't experience any fallout. So that was kind of surprising to me because I was experiencing, like when I dipped the brush into the actual shadows, you know, it got a little dirty. But when I put the shadow on my face, it didn't drop, which is, I mean, I'd rather it drop in the palette than on my face. So that's a good thing. Overall, I'm so pleased. I'm so excited. I'm happy that this is not a limited edition palette because I want another one just to kind of have on display because the stamps on this are so cute. And I know eventually when I use this palette more often, the stamps are gonna go away. When I say stamps, there's like a steering wheel, a teacup, a pig, an eye, a root beer cup. Like, those are so cute. Those are so cute. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, if you're here for Jeffree Star and Shane, because we're gonna have some more videos. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.